Parker's over here shitting, talking out his ass. Boy, this is one hell of a booger to polish, let me tell ya. Yeah, we could move to Alabama. Well, because they don't have none of it, they have to worry about any of the state inspection shit. In Alabama, from what I understand, you can take a penny, you can put it in your tire tread there, and as long as you can't see the top of Lincoln's head, you're good to go. And I think it's just maybe like a windshield. You're running the fuckers out a front clip on them, and
you can run with a cracked windshield.
As long as it's not in your sight of view.
Right,
sight of view, yeah.
What if it's down low?
It depends. But you know, the thing of it is with the state inspection laws, they leave it such a gray area. It's open for interpretation. You know, so the state cop can just, you know, see things the way he wants to see it.
Template time, huh?
You?
Somebody fucking looked that fucker up yesterday.
Yeah, he did.
What are they doing? Practicing plasma. Let's see if we can cut this.
It's an inverted weld. Yeah, some of these welds I see people do is like, how did you get that pigeon to shit upside down like that?
It's gonna look. The welds are gonna look good on this one. If they don't, I'll grind them.
I tell you what, I'd burn him with a fucking arc. We'd go get some fucking 6010 or 6011 and go to town with all this rust.
I'm no good with that.
Oh, I whip that shit right in there.
I got the stick right over there.
Well,
And we got the TIG's a stick welder. Also.
well, that'd be a way to do it, I think. That or a MIG, I wouldn't try to take all this. That would suck.
I'll take the top, the sides. The bottom might be harder. Let's see.
I mean, it's always fun welding overhead. Oh boy, the things we do just to drive, keep our vehicles half-ass legal. I need to give a shout out to Brian916. He's the one who's kind of inspired me to start doing these videos. So if you're watching my shitty, crappy videos, it's his fault. Blame it all on him. Cool dude, good mechanic. What you got there for a template?
This is foam.
Oh, look at that. Well, that's what you call a freezer.
There's a good picture of one in here. Oh, upside down. Got the little one there.
Bass backwards.
That's only about 10 foot round. That's a small one. Ain't long
Of course
enough.
it ain't long enough. That's what she said. It ain't long enough. Just shut up, bitch. I'm almost done.
How can you tell when a woman is
I don't know. Real man don't give a shit.
Well,
We could take
there's
that.
no sense in going over this. Might as well just make one from here to here.
Yeah.
And one down there.
Yep. Well, just take that plate of steel and just lay it right on that, and just take your handy dandy marker and just trace it,
underneath it.
and just trace it, and then wing dinger with the plasma. Now, where's my, I don't know where my markers are.
I don't think I have any markers. My coworker steal them.
No.
I go to a job site with 4 markers and 2 wire brushes. And when I leave, I ain't got nothing.
Don't come home nothing with the herpesipilades. Gotta stay out of them titty bars.
I just seen my knife there.
Oh, Jesus. Picking your seat.
You ain't still recording, are you?
No,
Really?
really. I wouldn't shit my favorite turd.
Fucking tape measure.
I just saw it.
Yeah, I just got it out.
It's right where you left it.
$35 fucking tape measure.
Something fancy about that Milwaukee, is there?
Yeah. It was bought in its Fastenal. That's what's fancy about it.
That's what costs $35. You can go over to Lowe's and get it for 20.
Yeah, I didn't realize how much it was till I got back here. Right there is 9 1/4. So I'm gonna go a little. I'm gonna go 9 1/2 to start with,
Yeah.
and 7 3/4 on the top.
Nice little crack right there. I don't know if you can get it right there. See it? Yeah.
Now where'd that fucking phone go?